Managing buyers in the link insertion and guest posting business can get messy really fast. Who's new? Who's negotiating? Who paid? Who defaulted? If you've ever felt lost in this process, GuestPostCRM has a brilliantly simple solution. Today, I'm breaking down GuestPostCRM's two-level customer tracking system that gives you total clarity on every lead, every deal, and every payment in real time. GuestPostCRM categorizes every customer using two indicators. Stage 1, the long-term position of the customer. Where is this customer in the overall journey? Status 2, the real-time condition. What's happening right now with this customer? When you combine both, you instantly know who's new, who's negotiating, who accepted your offer, who placed an order, who paid, who defaulted, who became inactive. No confusion, no guesswork, just clarity. Let's quickly go through all the stages inside GuestPostCRM. New, negotiation hasn't started. Offer, you've shared at least one price or quotation. Deal, customer agreed verbally, but order not placed. Order, customer placed an order but hasn't paid yet. Verified, paid but under $500. VIP, paid and crossed $500 up to $999. Gold, paid $1,000 or more. Defaulter, payment not made even after reminders. Expired, new, customer became inactive or stopped responding. These stages show you the complete story of your customer. Now, statuses tell you what's happening right now inside each stage. New stage statuses: unreplied, no reply sent yet. Replied, customer responded, waiting for next steps. Offer stage statuses: not accepted, accepted. Multi-offer, not accepted, multi-offer, accepted. Expired, customer stopped responding. Deal stage statuses: deal, no order, first order, many orders. Expiry reminder sent, expired. Order stage statuses: first order, not paid, first order, paid. Many orders, not paid. Many orders, paid. Defaulter, one time. Defaulter, multiple times. Defaulter stage, triggered when order placed, payment not made. Reminder sent but no action. Expired stage, customer becomes inactive due to no reply, no payment, no order, no activity for weeks or months. Here's the magic. When stage and status come together, you get perfect clarity. This combination helps outreach teams instantly see who's stuck, who's progressing, and who needs attention. Let's wrap this up in one line. Stage, big picture. Status, real-time condition. Together, they help you track customers accurately, spot bottlenecks, understand buyer behavior, manage negotiations smoothly, maintain full visibility across all accounts. GuestPostCRM ensures you always know who is moving forward and who isn't. If you want more clarity, more automation, and less chaos in your guest posting business, check out GuestPostCRM. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more CRM insights, and drop a comment if you want me to break down other features.